Any object with a temperature above absolute zero will emit electromagnetic radiation. The hotter the object, the higher the energy of the emitted electromagnetic waves will be. These electromagnetic waves are produced by the movement of charges inside the object that's caused when the thermal energy, and therefore the kinetic energy, of the particles that make up the object increases.
In order of increasing energy, the electromagnetic spectrum ranges from radio waves through microwaves, infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet light, and X-rays to gamma rays.
Objects at room temperature emit mainly in the infrared part of the spectrum. It's possible to buy an infrared thermometer that can detect the temperature of an object from a distance by measuring the frequency and intensity of the infrared waves emitted by the object.
An object as hot as the sun will emit visible light waves, but also some infrared waves which heat the Earth, and also ultraviolet waves which cause tanning. Very hot objects like the accretion disks around black holes emit in the X-ray and gamma ray parts of the spectrum.
The amount of thermal energy absorbed or radiated as electromagnetic waves by an object depends not just on the temperature of the object, but also on the object's colour. Objects painted white are poor emitters of electromagnetic radiation, and black painted objects are good emitters of electromagnetic radiation. Two identical objects, both at the same temperature but one painted white and one painted black, will emit different amounts of electromagnetic radiation.
The same is true for absorption. A black object will absorb more thermal radiation than a white one. This is why houses in hot climates are often painted white. This prevents the house from absorbing too much heat and becoming uncomfortably hot. The thorb or dish dasher that is commonly worn in hot Arab countries is bright white and reflects a large percentage of the incoming light.
Thermal radiation from the sun is a source of Earth's warmth. A larger proportion of the radiation that reaches the Earth from the sun is in the visible part of the electromagnetic spectrum than in any other section. This incoming visible light penetrates Earth's atmosphere and is absorbed by the Earth's surface, in particular by the dark oceans, and is then re-radiated as infrared light which can't penetrate the atmosphere. The atmospheric gases that are transparent to visible light aren't transparent to infrared, and therefore the temperature of the atmosphere increases. Human activity is increasing the amount of infrared absorbing gases in the atmosphere, and this is leading to an increase in the temperature of Earth's atmosphere. As the increase in the Earth's temperatures causes melting in the polar regions, the bright white and reflective snowy regions will melt and become darker, absorbing areas, further increasing the rate at which the globe increases in temperature.